Hey there, Kim and I are in Bangkok after our round Asia trip from Cambodia. Well, we started in Bangkok and ended up in Cambodia and then the Philippines for a couple weeks, and now we're back. Spending one night in Bangkok, well, 2 nights in Bangkok, but today, preparing for my trip back to the United States. Kim goes back to Hua Hin, but I've never been to Terminal 21. So our plan today is to just share with you what Terminal 21 is, if you've ever been interested. Kim's been here before. She actually says it's really awesome. I probably won't do a lot of talking, probably just a lot of video in this clip with some background music or something. If we sit down and eat, we'll share that with you. And as usual, we'll see you in a bit. So we just entered door 2. Obviously there's probably a lot of doors. There's elevators over there and just a lot of vendors here in the middle. So, and Kim's been talking about shopping and wanting to go to Bath and Body Works, and look what we see right when we come in. Pretty amazing how that happens. So we actually came in on the ground floor. We decided to go down 1 level first just to show you what's down here, and probably one of our favorite things is food. I don't think we're gonna eat yet though, but look at how awesome this is. And I'll just walk through real quick. And you'll see, it just keeps going on and on and on. We couldn't make it past one store without Kim stopping to shop. So what do you got so far?
Some wipes and some tissues from a purse.
And these were like $2, probably $2 or $3, and like $2 for the brush.
Yep.
And good quality stuff too, huh?
Yep. Yep.
So that's the name of the store right there. Hard to walk by if you're here. Show you this though. Look at that escalator right there. It goes up 3 levels. we're walking through here. There's a lot of really nice clothes and stuff, and all of a sudden Kim froze. And she was just staring off into like nowhere, just looking back. And I was like, what's up? She goes, I just found the dress that I think would be perfect for Mother of the Bride. You said it, didn't you?
I did. I met Mother of the Groom.
And we have a son getting married. We don't have a daughter. So
No.
she found the perfect dress for Mother of the Bride.
Yeah,
so if there's any of you...
Matt's gonna have to come shopping here with me.
Yeah, or if there's any of you out there looking for a Mother of the Bride dress, this will be the place. And welcome to London.
So the bathrooms up here, they look like subway stations.
Oh, that's cool. I know some people that would like that store. Whoa. What was that?
Other items.
Oh. Oh my God. I know every time Kim gets exciting, there must be a Swenson's nearby. We'll be stopping there before we go home.
Yep.
So it looks like this level is all food. Yep. Food in every direction. Oh, Kim couldn't walk by that. What couldn't she walk by? Oh my God, look at it.
Get it?
All right.
Get it? I left my heart in San Francisco. Get it? Did you get it?
More food. Level 5. San Francisco, level 2. So real quick, I got to share with you, we just walked through the food court up here and it's crowded and it's all locals. I mean, it's mostly locals. I wasn't even paying attention at first. Then I started looking at the prices. Most of the plates, like this is a whole meal, were like 30 to 40 baht. I think the most expensive meal I saw was 55 baht, which is like $1.50. Papaya salad was 34 baht, which is like 98 cents.
Crazy.
It's crazy. I don't feel like waiting in a line, but it looks awesome. So many food options on that level, and we got another whole level to go. Hollywood. So now we're at the top. And what do you think's on the Hollywood level? Movie theaters. And technology. We're not going up to the top level, but there's a whole gym up there. Fitness first, up above everything else in here. So out of all the places we could choose to eat at, wait till you see what Kim has chosen. Kim has chosen this restaurant right here, Get Fresh. So I have to share with you what just happened. That was crazy. So we lived on Hua Hin, on Koh Samui for 18 months. And one of the times I was gone, Kim was looking for activities to get started doing. And one of the things she started to do was take belly dancing lessons. And her belly dancing instructor, her name was Elisa. And they became really good friends. Like their brains connect like that. Well, Elisa moved to Pattaya in Bangkok, and we moved to Hua Hin. They stay in touch, but today we just picked a random mall. I gave Kim an option. I was like, hey, you want to go to this mall where we're at now? What was it, Pier 21 or whatever it was? Or do you want to go to an amusement park? Well, Kim said she wanted to go to the mall, so we came to the mall because she wanted to go shopping. And then we haven't eaten Thai food for 4 weeks because we traveled to Cambodia and the Philippines. And I asked Kim where she wanted to eat. And she chose this Mexican restaurant, not a Mexican restaurant. It's called Get Fresh. But Kim was attracted to that menu right there. So we were just walking over and we were gonna stop right here and look at the menu. And we looked up right there and you saw what happened. It was Elisa, which they haven't seen each other. So how crazy was that in a city of like 10 or 20 minutes? So there they are right there. So there they are right there.
If you buy 1,000.
No, we don't need this. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, no, let us just set a bill.
I don't understand what is that.
But anyways, I'm doing my YouTube video now, and I just told the story how Kim started belly dancing lessons on Koh Samui, and Elisa was the belly dancing queen. I didn't use queen during the video. And I said that you guys have stayed in touch, and this wasn't planned at all. We chose a random mall. We could have gone to the amusement park or the mall, and we chose the mall. And then it became time to choose a place to eat. And Kim was attracted to the Mexican food on that menu, and we haven't even eaten Thai food for like 4 weeks, and we want Thai food. And then you saw the rest.
Yeah, I nearly spit my food out when I saw these two beautiful people. I was just in my phone eating my shakshuka, and suddenly I just lift my face and I see Kim and Dave. Oh my God, I was so shocked. But we just spent 3 beautiful hours together, just talking non-stop.
And we could spend 3 more hours talking easily, but she's got to go grocery shopping, and she's got a Zumba, a Zumba class to teach. So that's our meeting for today, but how lucky were we to run into each other? So that's it. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
You'll see me.
We're essentially at the top floor. We're done. We're going to take the elevator down, and Kim said she wants to go to Bed, Bath & Beyond. So that's where we're headed. So here we are at Bath & Body Works, back where we started. And Kim is in here shopping. What are you doing, Kim? And shopping. I have to share with you. So I was being a good husband, and Kim was going shopping at Bath & Body Works, and I was fine with it because I knew what the prices should be. And then we went in and we picked up items, and they had prices on the back. For example, something was like 295 baht was the price on the back. But that was like 295 baht per ounce or something. They wanted like 1,000 baht for like a cream, like a body cream or a body lotion. It's like $30. And they wanted like $60 because it was buy 2 get 1 free. And we opted to spend our money on food instead. So,
Yeah.
Can't spend that kind of money on this stuff.
So another option would be to go over to Watson's, and Watson's has some really nice products there for a fraction of the price, and you'll get great smelling stuff. Yeah.
So we're doing a grab back to the hotel. Look at the traffic we got to sit in today. This city has so much energy, doesn't it?